couldn't look at the IV?
No, because I knew I would pass out. And I can't move my arm a little bit.
Oh.
There's a little heart rate thing that goes beep, 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 beep,
Yeah.
beep. And,
Can you move your arms? Alright, you got one moving there.
but she had the heart rate beep going.
The heart rate beep?
I don't even know what I was supposed to say. I already lost my train of thought.
You say beep, beep, beep.
Oh, yeah, they were getting mad at me.
They were?
Because they had this thing on my finger, and it would like make the beep noise, and Jeremy had one too. But every time, like every few seconds, it would go beep beep, and then I would be like beep beep.
Oh, you're talking back to the beeper?
And they would get mad at me, and they were like, "Don't talk to the beeper. Just be quiet and relax." And I was like, "Honey, let me do what I gotta do.
Yeah,
I am fine.
Gotta talk to that beeper.
I gotta talk to anybody I want to talk to."
Yeah, that's right.
Exactly. That's how I was raised. Good old pops here. I love you.
I love you too.
Oh, it's so sweet.
You're so sleepy.
No, I said that's so sweet.
Oh, it's so sweet. Yeah.
Get some hearing aids, old man.
Okay.
My lip itches like heck. It's so hard for me to open my eyes right now.
It's okay.
And they kept telling me, and I was just like, I got one open.
Yeah.
I got one open. Just one open.
It's tough coming out of anesthesia.
No freaking joke. Because then I feel like I gotta wear lazy eye because I like got one open. Then it's just like halfway open like this.
Yeah.
That's how I feel comfortable.
Are your eyes open now?
I mean, I got one half open. Yeah, it's crap. And yeah, back of my throat, and it tastes so good. It's just so nasty.
We're almost home.
Oh.
Oh.
I can move my other arm.
Oh, good. Okay.
I can move my other arm. Did you get my phone?
Yeah, I got your phone. You're okay.
Did you get my Letterman?
Yeah.
Okay. My arm.
I'm so happy you can move your arms.
Oh, me too. I just can't open my eyes right now.
That's okay.
There's just so tired.
Hey, Leah's home. Maybe she can help you open your eyes. Nah.
I feel like kind of saucy up in here.
Okay, we're gonna get you out now and sit you down.
I'm feeling kind of saucy
You're feeling kind of saucy?
up in here. It's kind of like saucy.